people. My phone was being evil. But, hey, nobody's perfect. Anyway, on to step 4. Listen carefully. Wait. Turn the seat cushion upright and align the center hole of the seat plate over lift. Then push the seat cushion down onto lift firmly until connection is secure. Well, let's see if I can do this without breaking anything. Put this down, put these down. See, this is the hole that goes here. Here, okay? That's the thing that will bring it together. Never mind why. Well, it's complicated. Okay. Well, let's try this again. And again. And again. How it's supposed to lock in. Push in. Whoa, look at that. Well, when all is said and done and the connection is secure, it should look exactly like this. Nice, huh? And now you have a footstool. But we're not done yet. Not even close. We're close, but not that close. Anyway, that wasn't easy. On to step 5. Attach the L and R arm to the seat cushion with 1-inch bolts with wrench. Do not tighten the bolts until assembly is completed. Note: arm rests with label with an L or for left or R for right to show which sides they should be placed on. See? Okay. These armrests should be marked. If they're not, well then, whatever. This one is marked with the L. And it's in dire need. It's in dire need to go this side. Are the same way. You get the hint. Okay. What are the B's, you ask? B's are nothing to be afraid of unless you're allergic. They're these guys. The B's that are desperately needed to make the step work. So I'm going to open them and I will see you in a bit. Alright folks, time to use this bad boy yet again. Yet again. How many do we need? 2. You only need 2. I just got all laid out. So we're going to do the left arm first. My strongest recommendation, you line these holes up with the arm, okay? They should have 2 on each side. See? 2 here. 2 here. These should be matched with these 2. It will not be easy, considering that I have a phone in my hand. And I should just do these. These, you say. Just like this. I'm gonna put. It's not gonna be easy this time, because guess what? I'm gonna sneak this side so you guys can see. We're going to use this again, folks. We're going to use the cotter key again. Oh, I almost forgot. Sorry, folks. Just turn clockwise. Turn clockwise. Okay, we're gonna take a break from that screw. And do it again. Do it again with this side. Oh. 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 Okay. Line these up. Don't get upset if you don't get it right. Okay, we are turning this clockwise yet again. As the old song goes, turn every season. Turn every season. Turn. Till the screw is in that chair. I'm good. So turn every season, turn. Okay. Okay, on to the other side. Okay. again with, we're gonna do this again. This time with the right. The right, you ask. Yes, the right. This phone is demonic. Anyway. Ladies and gentlemen, I do believe we are almost done. This is easier if I do this. Don't worry, folks. It's okay to think that I don't know what I'm doing. Just line the screw. Okay, we're gonna try this again. And again, do not give up. This chair will be assembled. Do not despair. You make fun of me, but hey, I do my best. It's not easy, especially with the phone in your hand. Okay, screw in again, clockwise, 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 and take a break. Okay. Okay, let's start again. Turn. Turn. That doesn't work out. Pull this tool out. It's just like a wrench. And make things easier because it's cheaper. Oh, sorry. Okay. They say not to tighten the screws. See how many we got left? I believe we are making progress here. Here, folks. Progress indeed. Anyway. On to the next step. On to the next step in our journey here. Place the back cushion on the seat cushion as shown. Attach 2 B-bolts into lower holes with Allen wrench. Do not tighten the bolts. Ever. And this is the illustration here. This is the illustration here. We're going to attach that to this. And I'm going to take a quick break because I'm hot. See you in a bit. Okay, folks, I'm back and a bit fumed over this. Anyway, we're going to set our next seat. I'm going to evacuate the screws from the chair. So this is what your chair will look like when the armrests are in. Check out that beautiful. Check out that beautiful chair going on so far. I know it's gonna be epic. Anyway, off to round 2. And which is this part of the chair. I'm gonna open it now. I'm gonna open it effectively. Why is there a zipper on it, you ask? I think it's to wash the chair. Or swap it out, I don't know. Anyway, let's install this bad boy and get the